I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing, you've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
Welcome to another Crypto EMC episode where we're going to be talking about this big giant candle. It seems like we have broken through some critical support levels. And what does this mean? How bad can it be? Should you be buying the dip? All valid questions that I think we need to address during today's stream. It's just a retrace, but because the size of the time frame, it will really prepare you. What we've learned, what you should have learned out of this, will really prepare you for the real bear market. Because I promise you, everybody went through the exact same emotions as this. And yeah, okay. So let's start off with this. So what happened within this area is very simple. We treated this trend as if it's going to last forever. But we understood that when you have this divergence playing out, sector on sector, divergence, 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 at some stage, the market is going to react to that divergence. And that's when we bought. And I was bullish there. I was bullish there. I was actually bullish there as well. Didn't even get that buy zone. I was bullish there. At this stage was, I think, my last appearance on Crypto Banter, where I said, guys, now's the time to be bullish, the last time. But if we go below these lows, your alts are going to go on insane discount. So you think you're down 30, 40%, prepare for another 98%. And what we do, we fell below that level. Why was I right? When I was clearly wrong for buying there, and there. If I knew that this was going to happen, I would have just not even bought at the end of at any of these other highs. I mean, I even at this stage had a prediction for 78. So what does this tell you? Me being very honest here is that I never know what the next future is going to be. I take things level by level. So when there's support and there's momentum, I'll act on it. And this is what you need to understand, especially with your hodl bags. Okay. So now, here we are in this situation. And when we were here, people that bought there with me would have been pissed off because it failed. People that bought there would have been pissed off. And even people that bought here would have been pissed off because it failed. And this is the dress rehearsal part that I'm saying. We've now just gone through another accumulation, another top scenario where we bought all the possible support levels for continuation for more. And they failed now. So now we're in a situation where we're moving into something like this. Okay. And herein lies the key. If you can say to yourself, you don't need to tell it to me, you need to be honest with yourself, that when the sell signals were shared on YouTube, that you did take profit. The fact that the last buy failed shouldn't bother you. But if you didn't take any profit and you've just been holding, or maybe you're late to the party and this is all you've experienced, your opinion and the way that you're going to be analyzing the market is different. And that's why when we move into this fear cycle, anxiety, denial, panic, the market speeds up considerably. Because although greed is something that festers in you, you slowly become greedy until it reaches the top. Okay. Fear is an immediate event. You're going to be patient, complacent, holding for more. I mean, I warned you that we might go into something that this might be complacency. Okay. And then when it hits you, anxiety, denial, panic, fear, capitulation, anger, all those ones, when they kick in, they're quick and fast. That's why the market is moving in such an aggressive manner. So now let's take that information and just quickly talk this back to where we are here. Okay. So here we are. This is our last lateral range. So the argument with the lateral range is we sold, we bought, we sold. We've been playing around this chart. And all the momentum plays that I was trying to look out for, areas where if the market was going to be bullish, that would be a good area. If the market was going to be bullish, that would be a good area. Has now failed. So let's not talk around the bush here, guys. The fact that we're here today changes the entire outlook for us going forward. So we're in the scenario where the momentum plays over. And now we're probably going to set up for a proper retrace. Okay. So let's expand this real quick. I want to plant this seed in your head for the retrace. I'm going to use Elliott wave because it's the easiest way to explain this. Okay. Once you have a 5-wave structure, and remember, guys, you're asking if you're new to the channel, I do not rehearse this. I start with the idea and I finish what I'm saying. Okay. Once you have a 5-wave structure, simple 5-wave structure, there's one rule to a bullish, for this to remain really bullish, okay, is that this 4 can't go below 1. And typically what will happen is, in order for the 4 to get created, your RSI will make a lower low. So if this is the RSI, I'm just going to draw the do. If that is the low, this 4 will have a low way lower than that. So this is how hidden bullish divergence gets created. Okay. And that tells you you're due for more. So the worry that I had, and I shared this with you guys a while ago, and I'm going to move over to this chart real quick, is that on the daily time frame, and I'm going to bring out the RSI, we have not had hidden bullish divergence yet. It's weekly time frame, sorry. It's only occurring now, meaning if this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, we're only getting to that now. So how low can this thing go? It can go all the way to 31. That's how painful this can be. So you've got a decision to make. It's a tough one for you if you didn't take profit, okay? You're going to have to decide when and how much you're going to evacuate of your holdings if you're heavily underwater. If you took profit, you're okay today, okay? Because we're going to have to take this move level by level. Buy the lows, get out if it doesn't go higher. Buy the lows, get out if it doesn't go higher. Until this 4 gets locked in. Because from where it is now, you have hidden bullish divergence. So it's easy to sell you on, yes, just be patient. Price has not made a lower low, the oscillator has. So we're going to go up, big picture. But for you at the moment, that does not help you much, because going up big picture does not quite really get the idea through, because this all is buy the dip territory. So I saw Marxie's here today, Marxie. You want to know when's buy the dip? Buy the dip is from now, or it was from there, all the way down to there is buy the dip territory. So you need to define where that horrible dip bottom is going to be. Who's going to know that? I'm not going to know. We're going to take it level by level. Okay. So that's the whole picture for you guys for Bitcoin today. So where we are now, think bigger picture retraces. That's it. That's all that you can do now, because the market has now, if I do this, started confirming a trend down. Here we were still correcting. Didn't make a high. Now this is a downwards trend. Just a friendly reminder, the video is brought to you by Prime, is the main channel sponsor. You could open your own Prime account. All you need to do is just follow any of the links. There's a 20% deposit bonus. You can come trade with me in the Discord. Everything in the links, everything is in the video description. Head over there, learn these skills so that you don't end up, when it comes to investing, the same stuff I use trading on the 15, it's the same stuff I use to get myself out on the weekly time frame for the swing, the hodl portfolio. So you can go learn that skills. I teach everything I know there so that you don't have to be waiting for a video to go live to kind of have an idea, that you can act appropriately at the right time. Okay. There you have it, guys. Have a lovely day, and chat to you guys soon. Cheers.
I'll keep hustling.
Yeah, nope.